we've made it. Hey everybody, it's Brandy, aka The Curly Traveler, and right now I am in Istanbul. You saw us guys come into the airport and now we're here. So I want to bring you guys around just to see some things around the city and give you guys some things to do when you also visit Istanbul yourself. Hey guys, so right now we are actually on a ferry. So with this, we are going to go from one continent to the other because Istanbul is separated by the Bosphorus, which we are on right now. So if you're looking for a cheap way to get across but also sightsee, take a ferry. Alright guys, so we are in Kadıköy right now. So from what I've been told, this is kind of the hipster area. As you can see, this really cool background with umbrellas hanging upside down, and I know they have that in a couple of cities, so they have it here too. There's a lot of shopping, lots of things to eat or places to go eat, and it's just kind of a more relaxed vibe from the very touristic areas on the other side, the European side of Istanbul. So if you're looking for something a little bit more laid back, maybe something you might be, hanging along the locals, I could be wrong, but that's the vibe I'm getting. I would check out Kadıköy. There's also a port where you can take the ferry to get here and to get out, and maybe even a port to get to the Princess Islands from here. So we are trying to go into the mosque right now. We'll see if they let us in. We are inside, I'm assuming what is the courtyard. Looks like it's under construction right now. We have to have this on and we have to take our shoes off. So we're gonna do that. Okay, so we are walking into, I believe it's Hagia Sophia. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, y'all, but this used to be a museum and they just turned it back into a mosque, or into the mosque. So we're gonna walk inside, guys. Okay, so next we are gonna go see the Basilica of Strand. It's an underground reservoir, and from what I could tell, it looks really neat online. So we are going to go. That's the call to prayer, guys. But we are gonna go and discover, see what we can find there. Okay, so right now we're inside. It's a little bit dark, so we are gonna see what we can get, guys. We are in the Grand Bazaar. I'm gonna show you guys what I see. I'm gonna show you what I see. I'm really excited to try these dishes because this is very different for me. And this is called
Raki.
Awesome. Okay guys, so we are in Taksim Square, so this is kind of like the it area. There's nightlife, shopping, restaurants, there's a lot to do, and it's also probably just a good social spot as well. So if y'all are looking for the busy area of town in Istanbul on the European side, this is it. Let's go take a look. Alright guys, so this is the end of the trip. I hope you guys learned some new things to do in Istanbul, or just learn what to do, what to add to your itinerary when you do come. If you guys have any questions about getting around the city, or what, you know, the currency is like in terms of how much things generally cost, let me know. Also, if you just are curious about the 3 different peninsulas and how that works as well, because it kind of is, there's a lot of separation geographically wise with this city, but it also makes it very unique and beautiful. So hit me up with those questions in the comments. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.